Today, we are going to show how to calculate work time using β-DSP Pro. It's an advanced function where you can calculate work time before starting work. At first, properly connect your USB or pen drive with β-DSP Pro controller. Then press Advanced Function button. Move down and here you can see Calc Work Time function. Press OK and go to Calc Work Time function. Here you can see, select Work File. You can upload your file here from USB or pen drive. Go to Disk File option. Upload your design file from USB or pen drive. Wait a few seconds. Congratulations! Now you can see your file working time.